Well, here we are cooking our evening meal.
We got satay sticks, chicken satay sticks, and
An open fire.
burgers, beans.
We've got some unexpected visitors here. They've dropped in.
Fireplace. First time with the rig out. And even that looks saggy. It's working the food. It's looking nice.
Yep. This is our new Outward Bound camper trailer. We're ready to hit the road, have some adventures. We're actually doing just an overnighter down at Emu Creek here at Bunaken State Forest. It's a beautiful spot, very quiet and lots of space. It's only about 50 minutes drive from Kingaroy, so really easy to get to for an overnighter. And yeah, it's as you can see, there's not a lot of other people here. There's some folk down there in the foreground and some folk up on the hill. And Pete and Lynn were coming to visit us, so we met them at Blackbutt, and they'll probably go and stay at our place tonight. Potatoes in the fire. Jacket potatoes, so some jacket potatoes and foil. You can hear someone's cracking a whip up there. Oh, there he goes. Ooh. So yeah, we could still be at Drovers Run. You know, we've been spending a bit of time there recently, bringing back the romance of the country life. Sean wants to buy a farm again, so, and Grandma is looking after Master Thomas, who is enjoying the evening sookie hour, but the beatbox is working a treat.
It is.
So
it's going well.
It's our lifeline, keeping him entertained. And these guys are going to come and spend about a week with us, so that'll be great. Yes, we have 2 plates, 2 forks, 2 spoons, plenty of knives.
Plenty of knives. Who knows why you'd have lots of knives, I don't know.
Let's have a look at this fire. Looking good. So yeah, for the night, $12 folks. $12 gets you this amazing campsite, and we've got some hot showers down there. Cold showers. We've got toilets, we've got cold showers, so we're going to be feeling nice and fresh. I might go and have one after dinner.
We're going for a hot shower.
You'll have a hot shower at our place. So yes, enjoying a bit of Shinrin-yoku here. That's forest bathing, folks. If you haven't tried it, get out of the city and spend some time in nature. You'll feel absolutely revitalised. Talk to you soon.